Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn and look at, and I know this, I didn't run across this till after like a year of programming, that you can import, there is a string module. So anytime you see input, it's another file that somebody else has written for you. So dir string. So I'm doing this because next video, letters and lowercase ASCII. So if I come out here and I do string dot ASCII underscore lowercase, I can get all the letters. I don't know about you, but I'm lazy and don't want to type all this every time that I want the letters to show up. So, and if you remember, so we can do from string import as key dot lower case as, I think you guys can see that now, as lower. So now, check this out. Oops, if I get that out of, there we go. So now, in next video, we're going to learn more about another module, another library, regular expressions. So, just give you a hint of how in the world we can do this without needing to put asterisks in between. So let me show you a real quick way so you don't have to type this. Got our blank empty screen, empty string. So for I in lower, excuse me, ABC plus increment I plus asterisk. So check this out. Print A, B, C. So here we go. I know this looks really goofy, but this will come in very handy next video. But this is just if you ever need all the letters, here's all the letters, lowercase, upper, digits. Very handy, so you don't have to sit and type in all the letters, especially if you need uppercase and lowercase. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and I will get right to them. Thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.